This video is going to blow your mind just like that. Welcome to Blur, everything for creators. So you can hear all this background noise behind me, right? It's annoying, I know, but now you can only hear my voice and not this nonsense. How did I do this? This is done using NVIDIA's free tool called Broadcast, and all you have to do is just install it, set the mic to NVIDIA, turn on noise removal, set the OBS mic to the NVIDIA input, and just start recording. If you're in a very noisy environment like this one, just turn on the noise removal and the NVIDIA AI will clean the audio in real time. This is insane, right? You can use NVIDIA Broadcast if you're using RTX graphics cards, but if you're on GTX graphics cards, you can use this tool. This is super useful while making videos or content. Share this video with your influencer friends and I will see you tomorrow.